Run, DASH, is one of the first crypto projects that went determined to turn into a decentralized worldwide installment organization and stage. The speed and low charges are other observable elements of the organization. Hence, and the capability of the task, we needed to impart to UR-DASH cost expectations, gauges for the years 2022 to 2030. Try to likewise look at our FAQ segment underneath. Over the precise past week, the cost of DASH stayed around $48.57. The course supply for the most part is 10.87 million tokens. The market cap essentially went up to $530 million, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Run, DASH, price prediction 2022 to 2030. Run's future cost is hard to foresee as it is dependent on various elements, including the exhibition of the DASH organization, worldwide financial circumstances, the securities exchange, and the cost of other cryptographic forms of money. In any case, assuming DASH keeps on developing as a venture at its ongoing rate, it is conceivable that the cost assessment for DASH could undoubtedly return to its past prime and presumably even outperform it incredibly. Remember that these are essentially hypotheses, albeit upheld by realities and other fairly strong elements. So, we should make a beeline for the fascinating part. 2022, DASH, price prediction and in all things considered, significant way. A portion of the monetary business kind of top names in every way that really matters, have loaned their way to DASH's cost visualization, which is very huge. The quantity of coordinated efforts and occasions with the digital money area shows that many individuals are positive about cryptographic forms of money and especially broad. As per that into DASH's presentation throughout the last year, it might accomplish an enormous lift by the current year's end and go over the sticker cost of $90. All the more unequivocally, we explicitly anticipate that the cost of DASH should move somewhere in the range of $92 and $101. 2023. Numerous examiners sort of have made DASH cost expectations for 2023, and the especially broad agreement explicitly is that the cost of DASH will keep on rising. This depends on various variables, including the rising utilization of the DASH blockchain, the developing fame of crypto, and the general sort of uplifting perspective for the worldwide economy in a kind of significant manner. While it is difficult to say precisely exact thing the cost of DASH will be in 2023, most specialists concur that it can possibly especially arrive at new levels. All the more everything being equal, we can anticipate that the cost of DASH should reach $135, $159 toward the finish of 2023. 2024. Assuming the development of DASH proceeds, we can undoubtedly see it getting huge reception. Our cost expectation for 2024 is pretty much as moderate as conceivable to not misinform you. We accept that toward the finish of 2024, the cost of DASH will reach no less than $180, or so they for the most part thought. On the off chance that we let ourselves be a piece kind of more speculative, we'd really raise it to $198. 2025, DASH, price prediction. As per in every way that really matters, many DASH devotees and their cost expectations, DASH costs might rise decisively in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of $229 and $244, which is genuinely huge. Remember that this could likewise in every practical sense, be the year when we see another bear market, in which situation the cost can come around up to 80%, bringing about a cost assessment for DASH at around $49 incredibly. In any case, the most reasonable assumption for the most part is for a midpoint of these cost levels. With far-reaching reception, DASH as a modest and helpful computerized resource could turn into a reality. For this situation, we should likewise consider that the DASH organization can fundamentally extend and foster in a significant manner. All things considered, costs might try and go as high as $265, yet that is very aggressive, as opposed to mainstream thinking. 2026. Keeping our moderate methodology, We won't attempt to make absurd cost expectations for Dash in a real sense. Albeit many accept that by 2026 the cost of Dash will in a real sense be at kind of the least $270, we'd give an alternate worth. 2026 is really not excessively far away, however as far as crypto, it is. We basically accept that Dash will be assessed at any place somewhere in the range of $263 and $292. 2027. As the years go by and Dash proceeds with its extension and demonstrates its utility, we can undoubtedly consider it filling in the assessment to be well amazingly. By that, we basically imply that Dash will sort of be assessed at around $312, $338. We figure the lower range of our value forecast will be more precise than the higher. However, obviously, the crypto market is very unusual, so we will essentially need to stand by and truly find incredibly generally. 2028. In 2028, in the event that Dash emerges with new undertakings and encounters further reception, we can see it possibly arriving at a cost of $351, $378. Ideally, the venture will fundamentally proceed to really create and draw in considerably more crypto clients. In any case, it is conceivable that it will lose the vast majority of its worth by 2028, which especially is very huge. 2029. For the last year of the 10 years, we accept that digital currencies will have gotten comfortable generally in a really significant manner. We imply that tokens will not be anything out of the exceptionally common any longer. Crypto as well as a wide range of crypto projects as well, NFTs, dApps, and so forth. Thusly, we fundamentally figure Dash will be moving from around $396 to $405 effectively, in spite of the fact that we can likewise see it arriving at a cost of $422. 2030, Dash, DASH, price prediction. Crypto value forecasts are generally troublesome, as the digital money market is profoundly unstable. Significantly more so when we are discussing 8 years into what's to come. A few specialists have gauged that Dash's cost could reach up to $471 by 2030. This would be a huge increment from its ongoing cost of around $48.57. Notwithstanding, it is vital to explicitly recollect that Dash generally is developing, thus basically is its reception rate, utility, and potential. In this manner, a moderate methodology may be more precise just for the main portion of the 10 years. Thinking about the entirety of the above-mentioned, apparently Dash is an extremely encouraging speculation. Hence the cost expectations for Dash are outstandingly certain, principally in light of the fact that the really token has a ton of potential, or so they thought. Obviously,